Hello, welcome to QA Crunch. Alright, so today's topic is software development lifecycle. We'll see what's meant by SDLC and later move on to in the next tutorials we'll see what's meant by SDLC and further videos we'll see what's meant by agile and other waterfall models, everything. Right, okay, so what's meant by SDLC is nothing but this is software lifecycle which is used for the software development. It is a phases. It has 6 different phases involved in it to develop a software in organizations. Okay, right. If you see, before starting to move into this SDLC, let me just give a brief introduction on some good example. Okay, right. Consider as you are going to start a business. Okay, something like ready-made shop or boutique. Okay, right. To open the shop you need to do some kind of scratch works, right? So you need to gather the requirements like where you are going to have purchase the raw materials and where you are going to do your business and which area, and then you need to analyze which customers you need to target it. Okay, and then what kind of customers and what kind of clothes you need to do, and then you will be start to stitch the clothes. Okay, and once the cloth has been done you will be doing some quality checks, and once that done it will be going to the market. Okay, so once you sell the product it will be coming again, the customers will be giving you the feedbacks, and again you will be doing some quality checks, and again you will be gathering the requirements, any feedbacks comes from a customer, and again you'll be analyzing and you will be doing some production, and again you will be releasing those products to the market. So this is the basic concept for all the business, right? So the same concept is applicable for SDLC, that's a software development life cycle. As I told you earlier, it has 6 kinds of phases. Okay, the first one is requirement gathering, next is analysis, next coding, fourth is testing, fifth is deployment, and finally it's maintenance. Okay, what's meant by requirement gathering? So here this is nothing but the requirement which was gathered from customers or clients. It will be coming as a format of BRD or SRD, okay, business requirement document or a system requirement document. It will be the project managers or stakeholders will be getting as a format of Word documents, and they'll be uploading in your portal. Okay, so you'll be taking that designs, and those designs contains all the things like what project need to be done, and what framework it needs to be done. Those kinds of things will be covered in the requirement gathering. Okay, so next is a analysis phase. In this analysis phase, it contains like we need to analyze the what kind of hardware and software needs to be done here, and developers would analyzing as the code when these needs to be done, and when this coding has to be completed, and what are the priorities need to be done during the coding. Okay, so the point of testing, what they do is they will be coming upon the test strategy and what kind of testing they need to do, and what will be the milestone to do this each modules, everything, right? So next phase is coding. So here the developers involved in it, and they will be working, and based on the designs they will be dividing the or each of the modules, and they will be giving the target dates to when we can do, and they will be start to doing their coding. So once the coding has been completed, in the testing phase what we'll be doing is the testers involved in it. So based upon the designs which they got earlier, they'll be creating the test plans and test cases, and they will start to execute the test cases, and then the defects life cycle comes here, and everything will be goes. Okay, so here they'll be doing the lot of testings like unit test, integrate, or unit test will be of development phase, and here they used to do integration testing, system test, acceptance test, everything. So we'll be looking more on SDLC later. Okay, so once the above parts has been completed, next phase is a deployment. Here the once developed code on the tested code will be pushed to the development, okay, in the production environment. Here the user acceptance test will be taking place, or beta testing will be takes place, and based on the deployment the customers will be using those, and they'll be coming with the feedback, which is as a part of maintenance. It happens, and for new changes they'll be coming again with the new requirements, and again analysis, coding, testing, deployment, and maintenance. So like this the cycle will be move on. Okay, so this is called the software development life cycle. Okay, hope you guys got some rough knowledge on what's happening in this SDLC. Okay, so in the next video what we'll be seeing is we'll be seeing what's meant by SDLC and how the defect life cycle will be takes place, and further moving you'll be seeing the different kinds of models, waterfall models, agile methodologies, everything, right? Okay, hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this, please subscribe. Okay, thank you, bye.